first met me, my heart was wounded and broken. Though I was in pain and sorrow, you fell in love with me secretly. You were so patient and kind to let me cry on your shoulders. Your sweet words and comfort brought me smile and laughter again. With your promises, you will never leave me or hurt me. I surrendered my heart to you, and we became one before God. You and I have been together for so long, and I pray our love will grow stronger with each passing day. With gray hairs and wrinkled faces, we will hold hands and walk with love side by side until the end of time. Do you remember the day you whispered in my ear how you love me like the fish loves the water? My darling, your love have I kept within my heart, and I pray we will always be together and never part.